OPPO, one of the leading brands in the smartphone market that redefined the mobile innovation with the flagship smartphones like Find X and the R17 Pro, has launched yet another interesting phone, the F11 Pro today, featuring a panoramic screen, rising camera and a 48 megapixel rear camera. Hey guys, this is Vignesh from FoneArena and you're watching OPPO F11 Pro unboxing and first impressions. As you can see, the OPPO F11 Pro arrived in a neat white box with a golden name print. We have the 6GB and 64GB variant here. Inside, it has everything you will need right off the bat, and that includes the device itself in thunder black colors. Additionally, we have the fast charger, micro USB cable, earphones, translucent TPU flexible case, quick starting guide, and warranty informations. So these are the inbox content of the OPPO F11 Pro. On the design front, the OPPO F11 Pro looks beautiful with a triple color gradient 3D back. Undoubtedly, the build is premium, looks appealing when compared to other smartphones in the same category. The bezels around the display are extremely thin to ensure best-in-class immersive multimedia experience. Talking about the placement, the right side of the mobile have a hybrid slot and the power buttons with a good tactile feedback. The left side houses volume rockers. The audio jack, primary microphone, micro USB port and the speaker grill lives on the bottom, while the rising camera and the secondary microphone are housed on the top. Turning back, we have the camera setup and the fingerprint scanner beneath it. It's worth mentioning that all the necessary buttons are well within the reach. One of the best thing about this device is its display, which is 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 19:5:9 aspect ratio panoramic display that is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the recent outing from OPPO is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 chipset and has a 6GB of RAM and a 64GB of inbuilt storage, which can be expanded up to 256GB with the micro SD card slot. On the software side, the device is shipped with the ColorOS 6.0 based on Android 9 Pie out of the box. The OPPO F11 Pro boasts a massive 48 megapixel rear camera aided by a 5 megapixel secondary camera to create hardware-driven depth of field effect. As you can see, the camera setup is stacked vertically in the center of the phone along with LED flashlight. It also features an OPPO's exclusive ultra-clear engine which intelligently recognizes scenes by examining the available light in the surroundings. The camera will then optimize the settings for flawless photography. The phone also features the nightscape for better low-light images. In addition to the dual rear camera setup, the OPPO F11 Pro sports a 16 megapixel racing camera with f2.0 aperture. It's placed at the top center of the device, which will come out the moment you press the on-screen selfie camera button. The OPPO F11 Pro gets a 4000 mAh battery with a VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. All said and done, there is still quite a few more things for us to do before we can rate this phone. But for now, we are quite enjoying our time with it. The performance is certainly good for a smartphone, and it seems OPPO has done its homework with cameras as well. This is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.